Here are 20 fascinating facts about Google, covering its innovation, business strategies, digital influence, and company culture. Innovation 1. PageRank algorithm. Google's foundational innovation was the PageRank algorithm, which revolutionized search by ranking web pages based on the number and quality of links rather than just keyword matches. 2. Google X. Google's moonshot factory, Google X, is responsible for some of its most ambitious projects, including self-driving cars, Waymo, Google Glass, and Project Loon, internet balloons. 3. Quantum computing. Google achieved quantum supremacy in 2019 with its Sycamore processor, completing a calculation in 200 seconds that would take the supercomputer 10,000 years. 4. AI leadership. Google's DeepMind, an AI research company acquired in 2015, created AlphaGo, the first program to defeat a world champion in the board game Go. 5. Google Brain. Google Brain, the company's deep learning research project, has significantly advanced AI and machine learning, impacting products like Google Photos, which uses AI to categorize and search images. Business strategies. 6. AdWords and AdSense. Launched in 2000, AdWords, now Google Ads, became Google's primary revenue source. AdSense, introduced in 2003, allowed website owners to monetize their content by displaying Google Ads. 7. YouTube acquisition. Google acquired YouTube in 2006 for $1.65 billion, a move that solidified its dominance in online video and created a massive new revenue stream through ads. 8. Android dominance. Google acquired Android Inc. in 2005. Today, Android is the most widely used mobile operating system globally, with over 2.5 billion active devices. 9. IPO success. Google's initial public offering, PO, in 2004 raised $1.67 billion, valuing the company at $23 billion. This IPO was notable for its use of a unique auction format. 10. Google Cloud. Google Cloud, launched in 2008, has grown into a major player in cloud computing, competing with Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Microsoft Azure, contributing significantly to Google's revenue. Digital influence 11. Global search dominance. Google handles over 90% of the world's internet search queries, making it the dominant search engine globally. 12. Gmail revolution. Launched in 2004, Gmail was revolutionary for offering 1 GB of storage at a time when competitors offered only a few megabytes. It has since become one of the most popular email services. 13. Google Maps. Google Maps, launched in 2005, transformed navigation and location services, offering satellite imagery, real-time traffic updates, and street views. 14. Chrome browser. Google Chrome, launched in 2008, quickly became the most popular web browser, thanks to its speed, simplicity, and security features. 15. YouTube as a platform. YouTube has become a cultural phenomenon, with over 2 billion logged-in monthly users and billions of hours of video watched every day. Company culture. 16. 20% time. Google's 20% time policy, which allowed employees to spend 1 day a week on projects outside their regular duties, led to the creation of major products like Gmail and Google News. 17. Googleplex. Google's headquarters, known as the Googleplex, is famous for its employee-friendly environment, offering perks like free meals, fitness centers, and on-site healthcare. 18. Alphabet formation. In 2015, Google restructured to create Alphabet Inc., a holding company that allowed greater focus on its various businesses, including Google itself, Waymo, and Verily Life Sciences. 19. Environmental initiatives. Google has been carbon neutral since 2007 and aims to run entirely on carbon-free energy by 2030, reflecting its commitment to sustainability. 20. Diversity and inclusion. Google invests heavily in diversity and inclusion initiatives, aiming to create a more inclusive workplace. However, it has faced criticism and challenges in achieving these goals, prompting ongoing efforts to improve. Larry Page and Sergey Brin's journey in building Google from a small startup into a global tech giant offers invaluable lessons for the young generation interested in developing, growing, and scaling their own startups. Here are the top 10 things to learn. 1. Start with a strong vision. Lesson. Page and Brin had a clear vision to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible. This vision guided their decisions and growth strategy. Takeaway: define a clear and compelling vision for your startup. It will serve as a North Star, guiding your efforts and attracting others who share your passion. 2. Solve real problems. Lesson: Google was born out of a desire to solve a significant problem, improving the accuracy and relevance of internet search results. This focus on addressing a real need was key to their success. Identify a genuine problem or gap in the market and create a solution that adds value to people's lives. 3. Embrace innovation and experimentation. Lesson: Google's success is rooted in continuous innovation. From their PageRank algorithm to new products like Gmail and Android, Page and Brin always push the boundaries. Takeaway: encourage a culture of innovation within your startup. Be willing to experiment, take risks, and learn from failures. 4. Build a scalable product. Lesson: Google's technology was designed to scale from the beginning. Their infrastructure allowed them to handle the rapid growth in search queries without compromising performance. Takeaway: design your product or service with scalability in mind. Ensure that it can grow alongside your user base and adapt to increasing demands. 5. Focus on user experience. Lesson: Google's minimalist design and focus on delivering fast, relevant search results were critical to its widespread adoption. Takeaway: always prioritize user experience. A product that is easy to use and meets the needs of your users will naturally attract and retain customers. Number 6. Leverage data for decision-making. Lesson: Page and Brin's background in computer science meant that data-driven decision-making was integral to Google's operations. Takeaway: use data to guide your decisions. Whether it's product development, marketing, or customer service, data insights can help you make informed choices. 7. Attract and retain top talent. Lesson: Google's culture of innovation and its attractive work environment helped it recruit some of the best minds in the industry. Takeaway: build a strong team by attracting talented individuals who share your vision. Create a culture that encourages creativity, collaboration, and continuous learning. 8. Adapt and evolve. Lesson: Google didn't stop at search. They adapted to new opportunities and evolved into areas like mobile operating systems, Android, cloud computing, and AI. Takeaway: be open to change and ready to pivot when necessary. As your startup grows, adapt to new trends, technologies, and market demands. 9. Monetize effectively. Lesson: the introduction of AdWords and AdSense transformed Google into a profitable enterprise, providing the financial foundation for future growth. Takeaway: develop a sustainable and scalable business model. Identify revenue streams that align with your product and market, and refine them as your business grows. 10. Maintain long-term focus. Lesson: Google's transformation into Alphabet allowed the company to focus on long-term projects while still managing its core businesses effectively. Takeaway: while short-term goals are important, always keep an eye on the long-term vision. Invest in areas that will ensure your startup's growth and relevance in the future.